In the figure below, not drawn to scale, very important, not drawn to scale, please don't take out your projector. AD is a straight line and ABC is 49 degrees. Find angle BCD. Okay, so for this part, if they label this, you have to understand that this sign just means that they are equal, which means that this triangle ABC is a isosceles triangle. So if here is 49, here will also be 49 degrees. Very good. So now we just have to think of the properties of angle. So we'll go back to that page. So what property can we use? We can use the first one over here, right? Adjacent angles on the straight line add up to 180. So if you go back, this is a straight line itself, which means that this angle plus this angle will give you 180. So to find this question mark, which is angle BCD, which is what we want, you just have to take 180 degree minus 49 degree. That should give you 131 degree. Adjacent angles on a straight line add up to 180. So answer is 131 degree.